Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your SafePal wallet app and the Binance app installed on your phone. Have your seed phrase handy just in case you need to recover your wallet. But remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone. Step 1. Open your SafePal app and enter your PIN to unlock your wallet. Once you're in, go to the Assets tab and find your USDT balance. Tap on USDT, and then tap Send. Step 2. Now, open your Binance app. Go to Wallet, select Spot, and then search for USDT. Tap Deposit, and you'll see the deposit address for USDT. Copy this address. Step 3. Switch back to the SafePal app. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, and tap Next. Step 4. Review the transaction details. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your PIN or use biometric authentication to complete the transfer. And that's it. Your USDT should arrive in your Binance account shortly. Remember, always double-check wallet addresses and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one. Peace.